chapter 1, shloka 26 till 32. First we'll see shloka 26 and the first line of shloka 27. Tatra pashyat sthitan partaf pitrunatha pitamahan acharyan matulan bhratrun putran pautran sakimstatha shvashuran suhridaschaiva senayorubayorapi. In the previous shlokas, we saw that Lord Krishna places the chariot in between both the armies and tells Arjuna to see the Kauravas present. So here in this shloka, Tatra pashyat sthitan partha, we have to split it as partha tatra apashyat. So partha meaning Arjuna sees there. What he sees? Sthitan pitrun. Pitrun meaning all those who are related to his father's side uncles, pitamahan, grandfather, granduncles, acharyan, his teachers, matulan meaning uncles belonging to his mother's side, bhratrun, brothers, cousins, putran, sons and nephews, pautran, grandnephews, sakin, friends, swashuran, father-in-law, suhridaschaiva. We have to split it as suhridah cha eva. All who are kind-hearted well-wishers. Senayorubayorapi. Senayoho ubayoho api. In both the armies. So Arjuna, in both the armies, he is seeing relatives, all those who are kind-hearted well-wishers. Then second line of shloka 27 and the first line of shloka 28. Tan samikshya kaunteya sarvan bandhuna vastitan kripaya paraya vishto vishidannidam abravit. So Kaunteya, referring to Arjuna, Tan sarvan avastitan bandhun samikshya. That way we have to interpret it as. So avastitan bandhun, Arjuna seeing the situated relatives, kripaya paraya vishto. Paraya vishto, we have to split it as paraya avishtaha. Avishtaha means overcome with what? Paraya kripaya. Overcome by a feeling of compassion and pity. Vishidannidam abravit. We have to split it as Vishidan idam abravit. Vishidan meaning grieving. Idam abravit. He says these words. So next, second line of shloka 28 and 29. Arjuna uvacha drishtve mam swajanam krishna yuyutsum samupastitam sidanti mama gatrani mukam cha parishusyati vepatushcha sharire me romaharshascha jayate. So Arjuna says, Drishtve imam, we have to split it as Drishtva imam, Swajanam Krishna, Hey Krishna, Drishtva, seeing the Swajanam, So he feels all of these people who have assembled for the war are Swajanam, are his own men. Yuyutsum, who are eager to fight, Samupastitam, situated. So seeing all these situated people eager to fight, who are his own men, Sidanti mama gatrani. Gatrani, my body parts or limbs, Sidanti, are weakening. Mukam cha parishushyati, my mouth has gone dry. Parishushyati, gone dry. Vepatuscha sharire me. Vepatuscha, vepatuhu cha. So, me sharire, in my body, I can feel a shiver, vepatuhu. Roma harshascha jayate, Roma harshaha cha. Roma harshaha meaning a feeling that the hair on the hands are standing on its end. Then Shloka 30. Gandivam samsrate hasta tvakchaiva paridahyate na cha shaknomyavastatum brahmati vacha me manaha. Gandivam samsrate hastat. Hastat, from my hands, the Gandiva bow is slipping. Samsrate. Tvakchaiva paridahyate. We have to split it as Tvak cha eva paridahyate. Tvak meaning skin, paridahyate. Skin is burning. Nacha shaknomyavastatum. Shaknomyavastatum, we have to split it as Shaknomi avastatum. So, avastatum, so it is difficult for me to even stand. Na shaknomi. I can't even stand. Brahmativa cha me manaha. Brahmativa, brahmati iva cha me manaha. So, my mind, brahmati. It is roaming in confusion. So, my mind is roaming in confusion. That's what Arjuna says. Then Shloka 31. Nimitani cha pashyami viparitani keshava na cha shreyonu pashyami hatva swajana mahave. So Arjuna is saying, Hey Keshava, Hey Krishna, viparitani nimittani pashyami. So nimittani means signs. So he is seeing viparitani nimittani. He is seeing all bad signs. Nacha shreyonu pashyami. Shreyonu pashyami, we have to split it as Shreyah anupashyami. So na Shreyah anupashyami. I don't see any good in what hatva swajana mahave. Ahave, in this war, hatva swajanam. So, I don't see anything good coming out of killing your own people. Shloka 32. Na kangshe vijayam Krishna, na cha rajyam sukani cha, kim no rajyena govinda, kim bhogair jivitena va. Na kangshe vijayam Krishna. So Arjuna goes on to say, Hey Krishna, na kangshe vijayam. Aham vijayam na kangshe. I don't desire victory. Na cha rajyam sukani cha. I don't desire this kingdom or any comfort. Sukani cha. Kim no Rajena Govinda. Hey Govinda, hey Krishna, Kim no Rajena. What use is this kingdom? By getting this kingdom, what is the use? Kim bogair jivitena va. Kim bogaihi jivitena va. Jivitena, by living, bogaihi, by enjoying these material comforts, what would be the use? So that's what Arjuna tells Krishna.